Guys, welcome to Crypto B101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And we have a lot of things to share today, from countries banning crypto, from some crypto now having their own stable coin, to many other news we're going to talk about on the show this morning. As you all know, this is where we trade it and we do not gamble it. This is where you get the latest information when it comes to trading, investing, and doing a lot of stuff in the game. Also, this is where you get to know if you need to hold on to your asset that you might have bought or you want to buy. And this is also where you're going to get all those chart information known about the economic calendar, also about the fear and greed index. Also, we're going to take a look at the market cap to let us know how the cryptocurrency community space and everything is doing. And as you all know, this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. You can join this show on X every day, every morning. Also, you can follow me on X to get a lot of news I'll be dropping. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, on Instagram. And please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get all the juicy content as I drop it for you daily. Right now, BTC is trading at 106,800 plus, almost 106,900. But as you all know, we're not going to take a look at the chart right now. We're going to come back to the chart analysis later, and I'm going to share my own opinion. I'm going to share my strategy with you if you need to buy or you need to sell. You understand? If you need to buy or you need to sell all those tokens you are holding on to. And mind you, this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purpose and entertainment. And also, with my years of experience in the space, the crypto space, I have been able to always predict and make the right decision for you guys more than 90% or to 95% if you agree with me. You can see all the video I've been dropping, and you can testify, or you can testify to that. Excuse me. All right, without wasting our time, let's dive into today's show. And the first thing we normally do is to check the news that are making waves, so we know what is going on, because you need to know what is going on in anything you're doing. Either you're investing, whatever you're into, you need to know what is happening in the space. So that's why we share the news first before we get into other things. All right, let's take the first news. And the news today says Bitcoin, spiked to high near 108,000 as Ethereum hit 3-year peak. Another news on the radar is MicroStrategy just bought another 1.5 billion in Bitcoin. This guy is not stopping anytime. MicroStrategy as a company, as an investment company, tech company, and all of that, Michael Saylor is not stopping anytime. He keeps buying. Even at 100,000, he keeps buying. So you should know you're not late. You can still join the wagon, but make sure you do your own research. Also, UK issues warning against Solana MemeCoin. We all know there's a lot of Solana MemeCoin out there because of the way Solana has been performing this cycle, and a lot of MemeCoin are coming out. I even told you we're going to see a lot of NFT MemeCoin coming out of that on-chain, so you need to be careful, and that's why UK issues warning against some of the MemeCoins on Solana. Let's take another news quickly. Now, this is not Solana, this is Ripple. Ripple USD stablecoin begin trading Tuesday after XRP hits 7-year high price. Yes, it's true. We now have RLUSD, that is Ripple USD. You know, we have Theta, we have USDC. Now we're having Ripple stable coin, and I believe that's going to add more fire to XRP holders. Let's check another news on the radar, guys. Anticipated avalanche upgrade goes live, reducing cost, making it easier to launch avalanche subnet. That's great news, and I believe this is going to help avalanche push up, and we're going to see massive rally from this. But we're going to check the chart to know if we need to buy it or not. Let's take a look at another news on the radar. We have collapsed crypto exchange FTX reveals payment timelines. We all know what happened to FTX last cycle with the Alameda Research, with Sam Bankman-Fried and the girlfriend and the team, that they use people's money to gamble and all of that, and that led to the collapse of, even with Binance snitching on them and all of that. And I think they now sue CZ for something. We're gonna see where that goes. But now they reveal when they're gonna pay some of the people that were affected. Also, we can see that British Columbia maintains Bitcoin mining ban despite Vancouver's BTC friendly city. This is coming out from Canada. We all know Vancouver said they're going to have a strategic Bitcoin reserve and allow people to pay the municipality and taxes and all of that. So they're kind of becoming BTC friendly city. But now in the same country, British Columbia, which is another province, maintains Bitcoin mining ban, even though some of the provinces in the same country are saying they want to be BTC friendly, and that's what is coming out of Canada this morning. Now, speaking of MemeCoin, we have Peanuts MemeCoin drops 10% following Peanuts owner legal warning to Binance. So that's all the news I have for you on the radar today. Please follow me on X for more news, because you can see I drop more news every day, every hour, because it's not all the time the news come when you're doing the show. So you might want to follow me on X for more juicy news, so you can get all this information as I drop it daily for you guys. All right, that's that on the news. Now let's dive into the event of the day so we can know what we need to prepare for. Yesterday we saw a lot of things happen, and I couldn't even believe my eyes on the Monday, seeing such great news coming out of different countries: China, Great Britain, US, Canada, and so on and so forth. So now today, what do we have on the radar? We have news from Great Britain, from Canada, from US, as we always have, and we have from other countries like Japan and New Zealand and Australia, but they are not that very important. So what are the important news we're looking at today? We're going to be looking at CPI out of Canada around 1 p.m. GMT or UTC. Also, we're going to be looking at core retail sales from United States around 1:30 p.m. GMT. So around that time, you might see the market moving or see a lot of volatility in the market. So you need to prepare for that, especially for you that are trading futures, derivatives, options, margin traders, and all of that. And if you want to do that, the links to my ByBit, where you can get a lot of bonus, are down in the description. Also, you can join my Telegram or my Discord channel. They are free of charge, and you can get signals for trades like BTC, Ethereum, and all of that for your future trading, and we are going to make it. All right, that's that on the economic calendar for today. Now let's go to my favorite, which is what? The cryptocurrency market cap, because the higher the market cap goes, the more money comes to holders and people that believe in any project they are holding on to. All right, now let's go to our cryptocurrency market cap right now, and it's now on 3.890 trillion US dollars. You can see we're on 3.8 US dollars. That's what we're on. So we are going to hit the 4 trillion US dollars anytime soon. It's just a matter of time. we are going to hit 4 trillion US dollar market cap. And you can see BTC has now crossed over 2 trillion US dollar market cap. That's good news, guys. Ethereum is still below half a trillion US dollar market cap. Let's now check the top the top 15 cryptocurrency market cap. The first one, you all know, it's Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum number 2, Theta number 3, XRP number 4, Solana number 5, BNB number 6, Dogecoin number 7, USDC at number 8, Cardano at number 9, Lido Stake at number 10, Tron at number 11, Avalanche at number 12, Chainlink at number 13, Wrap ETH at number 14, and Toncoin at number 15, while Shiba Inu makes number 16. If you want to check top 1 to 1000 or top 1 to 100, or you want to know where your favorite or the project you're holding on to are on the list, you might just want to check out CoinGecko to know where your coin or your project you're holding on to is on the list. All right, that's that on the cryptocurrency market cap. Now let's go to where all of you are waiting for. And what is that? That is a chart. Yes, this is my fortune teller. This is what I look at to know if I need to get out of any token I'm holding on to, or I need to sell and buy later when it goes a little bit down. All right, now what's going on? BTC is still trading very well. As you can see, BTC is trading at 107,900 as I'm recording right now. So what is BTC like today? Is it still a buy? Yes, Bitcoin is still a buy, but the stop loss has now changed. The stop loss is now at 103, or let me say, yeah, 10. Excuse me. The stop loss is now at 103,186. So BTC stop loss now is at 103,186. But is Bitcoin still a buy? Yes, Bitcoin is still a buy. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's just that my years of experience and what I've known about the market, and that's why I've always been predicting right at least more than 90% or 99% correctly. You can check on my previous video to confirm. We trade it, we do not gamble it, and that is why the Bitcoin and breakfast show is very important for you every morning to watch, so you can know the coin you need to buy and the coin you need to stay away from. Also, let's check ETH. ETH is still a buy. ETH is still a buy, but the stop loss has changed. The stop loss is now at 3,880. Where you need to sell your Ethereum is now 3,880. But is Ethereum still a buy? Yes, hold on to it. It's still a buy. Let's check out SUI. SUI is still a buy. The stop loss still remain at the same space. SUI is still a buy while the stop loss remain at the same spot. Now let's check out XRP. XRP is still a buy, but the stop loss we have to change. Now the stop loss is now at 2.3186. That's now where we have the stop loss for XRP. That's when you need to sell your XRP if it's dropping now. Let's check out Avalanche. Avalanche is a sell yesterday, I told you, and if we break above this, we can have a buy. But Avalanche for me now, no, Avalanche is still a buy. It has not hit the stop loss. Avalanche is still a buy. It has not hit the stop loss. It's still a buy. Excuse me. Avalanche is still a buy. Stop loss is at $48. So Avalanche is still a buy, guys. It has not hit the stop loss. It's still a buy. Let's check out AAVE. AAVE is still a buy, but the stop loss or where you need to sell AAVE has changed. So you need to sell AAVE now at 361. You need to sell AAVE now at 361. So let's check out Solana. Solana is a sell now, guys. Solana is a sell. We can only buy Solana when it creates or move above it. So Solana is a sell. You might want to get out of Solana because it has hit this. So Solana is a sell. You might want to get out of Solana. Let's check out ADA. ADA is still a buy, and the stop loss still remain the same place. ADA is still a buy, and where you need to sell it is still the same place. Let's check out Toncoin. Toncoin is a sell. Toncoin is a sell. Toncoin still remain a sell, guys. Toncoin still remain a sell. So if you have any other altcoin you want me to look into, you might want to comment it down in the comment section. I'll take a look at it and I'll review it and get back to you. Now let's jump into some meme coins. You know, we got out of one of the news, UK issuing warning against Solana meme coin. But let's take a look at some meme coin. First of all, the one we're going to look at is what? Dogecoin. Dogecoin is still a buy. Dogecoin is still a buy. Dogecoin is still a buy. The stop loss still remain at the same place. Dogecoin is still a buy. The stop loss still remain at the same place. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is still a buy. The stop loss still remain at the same place. Pepe. Pepe is still a buy. The stop loss remain at the same place. Let's take a look at Ondo. Ondo is still a buy and the stop loss remain at the same place. Let's check X out. X is still a buy. The stop loss remain at the same space. Let's check out Notcoin. Notcoin is still a sell. Notcoin is still a sell. Stay out of Notcoin. Notcoin is still a sell. Let's check out Dogs. Dogs is still Dogs is still a buy. Dog is still a buy until we kick out that red line. Let's check out Nero. Nero is still a sell. Please stay out of Nero. Let's check out Deep. Deep is still a buy, but the stop loss will now be here. Yes, Deep is still a buy, but the stop loss has changed. Let's check out RSR. RSR is still a sell. Stay out of it. Popcard still a sell. Stay out of it. Rose still a sell. Stay out of it. CKB still a sell. Stay out of it. Reef still a sell. Stay out of it. So these are the meme coin I'm taking a look at today. Excuse me, if you have any suggestion or you have any meme coin you want me to look at, please comment down in the comment section. I'll take a look at them or I'll add it to my list and we can analyze them together and have a great time in the crypto space. So that's the chart analysis for today. Hold on to the one I told you to hold on to. Sell the one I told you to sell and you'll never regret it. But mind you, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research and make sure you trade or you invest with the money you can afford to lose. All right, I haven't said that. Let's check the fear and greed index out today. What does the fear and greed index look like? And you can see the fear and greed index for today is still extreme greed. Yesterday was extreme greed. Last week, extreme greed. Last month, extreme greed. And right now, it's still extreme greed, right? So you might see a lot of volatility happening in the market. Is correct. Please make sure you trade carefully. If you hit your target, take profit, wait for it to reverse and get in back. Or make sure you subscribe to a show like this where we make sure we give you information about each and every trade you need to take. Subscribe to Crypto B101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And also you can follow me on Facebook, on Instagram to get latest news, and on IG to get some of the nugget, and on TikTok as well. We are on all the main social media platform. So that's the fear and greed for today. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching till now. My name still remains the same. Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. Remember, this is where we trade it and we do not gamble it. This is where you get latest information regarding cryptocurrency. This is where you know when to hold on to your cryptos or when to offset it. Also, this is when you know what the cryptocurrency market cap looks like, what the event of the day looks like, and what the chart, which is my fortune teller, looks like. Until I catch you tomorrow on another wonderful episode of this great show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. It pays out.